Carly, nasty storm there.
Yeah, we are looking at potential tropical cyclone 1. This morning, just before 4 a.m., the hurricane hunters did record tropical storm force winds, but it's still not organized enough to be considered a tropical storm and get that name, which would be Alex, yet. There is a good chance that it will be named before your Friday is all said and done. We have winds sustained around 40 miles per hour, gusts 50 miles per hour. As of the 4 a.m. update, another update will be released at 7 a.m. Here's a look at what that designation from the hurricane hunters did do. Allow these watches to be upgraded to tropical storm warnings. That's along the western coast there of Cuba, as well as the Florida Peninsula, and then into the Bahamas. We have those tropical storm warnings in place. It looks like landfall of the system. That's why it is a potential tropical cyclone, because it is expected to make landfall in less than 48 hours. If the storm was out in the middle of the Atlantic, it would not even be considered a potential tropical cyclone. However, because it is, this allows us to put out, or the Hurricane Center to put out this forecast cone with the potential landfall there Saturday. It will be moving pretty fast and expected to continue to track out into the Atlantic Ocean with minimal impacts, if any at all, to the East Coast. Mostly the Bahamas will continue to see impacts into the weekend. So you can see the main impact from this storm, a lot of rainfall for southern Florida, Cuba, and then rain will continue into the Bahamas as it moves offshore of Florida. You can see some straggling storms there on the backside. So otherwise, for us this weekend, we are looking sunny. Grab the sunscreen if you have plans that take you outdoors. It is free fishing day on Saturday. You don't have to have a license, but you should have some sunscreen out on the boat. It's 94 degrees, breezy, not too humid, heat index 101, or if you're sitting on a pier or a dock or wherever you're fishing. A 95 there on Sunday. We are picking up the wind a little. We'll get gusts up to 25 miles per hour in this afternoon. If you're going to spend some money on gas and travel across the Lone Star State this weekend, get ready for some heat, especially by Sunday. We do have a chance for some storms toward Dallas. Here's what we're tracking. A cluster of storms, a nice squall line that's developed moving along I-20. That is going to continue to produce some stormy activity this evening along I-35 there and into portions of the hill country and Dallas. So that's where we're going to see the stormy weather. A few of those storms may even linger past San Antonio into the northern coastal bend. But what I really want to point out is this warm front lifting north Saturday and into Sunday. Yeah, that's what's going to keep us very hot here in the coastal bend and humid as well. But look at this view. We've got calm conditions on our Lex Cam, a beautiful sunrise happening. 92 degrees by 2 p.m. We will continue to be in the 90s through the afternoon with sunny skies. I want to point out when those storms come in. So that's going to be this evening, mostly just Live Oak and B County. For the rest of us, we look to stay dry with mostly sunny skies throughout the day. Don't forget the sunscreen on free fishing day. We've got windy conditions Sunday and Monday. Highs around 95 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.